If your garage door is grinding, squeaking, or feeling just about rough to open, you don't need a service call, you just need to lubricate it. I'm Daniel with Motion Garage Doors, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before you spray anything, make sure you have the right product. You are looking for a garage door lubricant or a silicone-based lubricant. Don't use WD-40. WD-40 is a cleaner and a solvent, not a long-term lubricant. Actually, strip away the grease that is protecting your parts. So in this case here, we are using a WD-40, but it's a silicone-based. This is what you're looking for to lubricate your garage. So get your gloves, a clean rag, and your spray, and let's do it. You start here with the hinges, especially where metal touches metal. You just spray a little bit, don't soak it. So especially in the moving parts here. So you will do in all the hinges. Now we are doing the rollers, the most important moving part in your garage. So basically here we are aiming for the ball bearings. So just spray a little bit in these parts, and that's it. Now look up. Those are the springs, and we should lubricate them from time to time. So you just spray very light here and let the gravity bring the oil down. Be careful with the springs, they are under lots of tension. So do not screw, do not touch these parts, make sure that you just spray the oil above and let the gravity bring the oil down. One big mistake that we usually find is that people lubricate the tracks. So leave the tracks alone. This stationary part should not be lubricated because instead of making the rollers roll throughout the tracks, they just slide. So leave the track alone, lubricate only the rollers and the hinges where metal against metal moving along the tracks. Now just test the door. Move it along 2-3 times, open 2-3 times to make sure that the spray goes along the bearings, goes inside the metal, and make sure that your door is wider than it was before. If this not work, you can have a problem with the hardware, so you should call a pro. But this should be enough to make your door squeak less and make less noise. So we recommend to lubricate the door every 6 months, especially after the winter and before the winter here in Canada or US, and make sure that your door has a proper technician taking care of it if the noise persists even after lubricate. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe us, we have more tips for you.